The operators themselves explain this reckless road behavior.
The boss wants $20,000. And if you sit on in the line the whole day, they're not going to make $20,000.
You skip the line too?
Yeah, definitely. I have to skip the line.
And you break the road code when you drive sometimes?
I have to do it. I'm going to tell you, I have to do it. Because if I don't do it, I'm not going to make the money.
And they must have to dig the road hard to find the boss 20 grand, so more pressure that.
And then after you find the boss 20 grand, you have to still have to try and make something for yourself?
Gas, I have to find gas oil, 10 grand for gas oil, plus I have to try to find money for yourself.
So then you get like a flat pay from the boss
No,
then?
a driver get all $4,000 for 20 grand, a doctor get 2 grand. You get me? But the road's sticky. Half of the bus, for instance, if the bus load, half of the bus I pay $50. Imagine that.
Like who I pay $50?
Passenger them, woman, man.
What the ride fare?
$100 the ride fare.
He admits it's dangerous.
It's wicked. Wicked. More time I doctor, I'm not like see. But we have to do it. Because if we don't do it by the end of the day, we go out if we go to the boss and the money shot. Man, them get fire. Some of the boss them diss the man them. Beat them. Some of the boss them beat the man them. Some of them get fire.
How you feel about it? Like when we see so the overtaking we are going and all them things though. How you feel when them, you don't feel afraid?
Yeah, of course I feel afraid. But in the end of the day, we have to do it.